everyone, it's Tammy, and this is another card, a second card in the series using lots of lavender, which is only available through Celebration. You can only get this stamp set through the end of March 31st, and you can only get it for free with a $50 purchase. So if you'd like to shop, my link is down below. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I have a piece of Whisper White that is cut at an A2 size card, and I am just going to crisp this edge on the score line, and this is actually going to be our card. I'm not going to do any layering, and I got this card idea off of Pinterest by a lovely Stampin' Up! Demonstrator by the name of Lori Mackey, and she shared this on Pinterest, and I thought, ooh, I really like this, and I am going to do something similar. So I need to use this cute rose kind of, I don't know, stamp. And I'm going to use my basic gray as my color of choice for the outline. And I'm just going to stamp this in the center, kind of toward the top of the card, and then I'm going to turn the card around and I'm going to stamp it again that way, just like that. Now this is a 2 Stampin' set, which I adore, and I'm going to use the rose filler, which is this one, and I'm going to use Berry Burst as my rose color. I just take that and then I just stamp it right over the rose, and it will fill it just perfectly, just like that. Then I'm going to take this greenery and this greenery and place it where it needs to be. And same with this one. Oops, I just moved it. Darn it. Let me use this. Sometimes these acrylic stamps are so sticky. They will stick to you and they don't want to release. Okay, so I'm going to close these before I accidentally stamp with those. And I'm going to use, I think, Garden Green. Ink those up and then just put them down, pardon my head, right over the leaves. And if you get them a little bit off, I don't think it's a big deal. I actually think it looks kind of cool. Just like that. Now I'm going to put these back, and that is all the stamping we need for this card. But we're going to use these basic pearls and we're just going to put them right where these little berries or whatever are. I don't know if they're supposed to be berries, but that's what they look like to me. And they seem to fit perfectly on these little medium diamond or medium pearls. So just like that. And then if you want to take a sentiment stamp and put your sentiment right in the middle, wouldn't that be lovely? So I am going to look at my sentiment stamps and see what I have. I didn't pick one out. I was kind of thinking maybe I would write something, just because I hate to demonstrate one stamp set and then use another one, but on the other hand, it's okay to use more than one stamp set in a card. It's not going to hurt anything. So let me see what I have handy. I like this one. It's a hostess set that is Yay You, and it says enjoy the simple things. I think that is a really nice saying. And I haven't demonstrated that, or I haven't done anything with that card yet, but I sure do want to, or with the stamp set yet. So I'm going to take my basic gray again, and my block, ink this up, and then put this, I'm going to ink it up just a little bit better, and then put it right here in the middle. Enjoy the simple things. And I think that's a nice sentiment, especially with that simple card. It is so easy to make, doesn't take any time, but it has a lot of bang for its buck. So I hope that you guys will consider that stamp set, which is lots of lavender. And then I also used the Yay You, which I will be featuring one of these upcoming weeks. But there we go. There is our very simple yet elegant card. So thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.